In this video, I will tell you how to fix Zoom app keeps crashing problems. Please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Zoom app. Now tap on app info option. And here tap on storage usage. And now clear the cache as well as clear data. Now OK. Now the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store. If you are using iOS, now tap on search option below and here tap on search bar and search for Zoom. Now tap on Zoom option and here you will see update button option. So update this app to the latest version. I hope this will help. Thanks.